team, pick your class, saddle up to kick some ass. Your multiplayer dreams come true when you play Team Fortress 2. Well, the heavy spins a minigun, the scout can't do much else but run. Side with red or side with blue when you play Team Fortress 2. Well, the snipers and the pyros might make you wanna rage quit. Make sure they ain't a spy though, 'cause spies are f***ing bullshit. The engineer can build cool stuff, the demo man can blow it up. A hell of a good time waits for you right inside Team Fortress 2. In the soldier, it's a decent shot, he'll knock you out of your pants. And the heavy and the medic share a legendary bromance. Oh, work together as a team, download douchey hats on Steam.